Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Open Goodnotes and select the document you want to link. Tap the lasso tool, then select the text or area for linking. Choose Create Link from the pop-up menu to start building the link. If you prefer typed links, use the text tool and then lasso that text. You can link handwritten notes by enclosing them in the lasso selection now. Confirm selection and press destination to continue setting the link target. Practice on a copy to avoid accidental changes in your original document. Tap destination and pick a page, another document, or a URL. To link to an external URL, paste the full address starting with https://. To link inside the document, choose the page and set the exact view. You can also link to a specific zoomed area by setting the view on that page. Use the Go to Link option when the link type supports immediate navigation now. Confirm destination, then tap Done to return to editing mode. Test links after creation to ensure they navigate exactly as intended. Tap Done to save the link and return to editing mode. Switch to View mode and tap the link to test it. Edit or delete links by selecting them with the lasso tool again. If a link points to the wrong spot, adjust the destination and save again. Use clear labels or colored boxes to indicate linked areas for easier navigation. Back up the document before making bulk link changes to preserve work. Repeat testing on a copy to confirm links across devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.